One of the most important ongoing tasks you'll have as a business leader is hiring. It's not an easy, though it's a time consuming process with monetary and reputational consequence if you make a bad hire. Taking the time to find the right person, someone who isn't just technically capable but also a good fit for the company, is also important. Companies that are successful in hiring have a process that includes attracting high quality candidates and evaluating them in different areas and taking time to get to know the people in different ways. Here are some of the tips I'm going to tell you to build and improve your own hiring process. Number 1, it is job description. If you aren't careful, the way your job posting is written can deter the great candidates from applying. The more successful posting includes the statements such as "we seems to be provide employees with consecutive feedback to foster their career growth," and "you will have many opportunities to collaborate with the talented people." The takeaway: put more of the focus on what your company can do for potential employees, and you will have an attracted candidates who can be a better fit for your needs. Number 2, embrace the digital trends and social medias. Most people want to work for companies that keep up with the latest tech trends. Another good way to embrace the digital side is to make sure your career site is mobile friendly. Number 3, focus on soft skills. Although the right skill set may seem like the most important factor is whether a candidate is a good fit for a particular role. The truth is that skills can be acquired but personality cannot. Check social media profiles. Like most employer, you will be probably do a background to see a good check what comes up about that person's online. But if you are not looking through the candidate social media profiles, you could be missing a key way to find out more about the individual as a person and an employee, for better or for a worse case. While it is legally a risk to allow a candidate's social media activity to factor into your hiring decisions, it can give you a better picture of someone you are interested in a hiring position. Number 5, fit the personality to the job. A candidate personality is another important factor to consider. For example, a trait such as an empathy would likely to be much more important for a nurse or a social worker than it would be a fit for a tax attorney or a computer programmer. Improve your interview. 82% of the 5,000 manager surveyed the report that the interviewer were too focused on other issues, too pressed for the time, or lacked confidence in their interviewing ability to pay the attention to the red flags candidate exhibited during the interview process. Do not overlook on factors like coachability and emotional intelligence. Number 7, let's candidate interview you too. Allowing the prospective employees to interview you will give you a chance to see what important to be taken then, plus it will give the candidate a chance to determine that they want to keep pursuing a job at your company or to decide that it's not the right fit for them. Number 8, Keep an eye on your reviewer. Potential employees often seek insider into about the company informations they want to work for this, and this includes salary estimation, interview tips, and reviewing from current and the former employees. Top candidate management can even apply in first place if they don't like what they want to be see. 69% of the job seeker said that they won't take a job with a company that had a bad reputation, even if they are currently unemployed. So be careful in that points and be enjoy your work and win in your successful careers. And thank you for watching my video, and keep watching and keep posting for the next